What is going on, my lovely people? On a Monday, we doing this thing brick by brick again. I know it's been a moment, I've been busy, but if you have a little bit of time, go check us out. Who Has the Heat is currently underway. We got the 8 versus 8. It's the ladies, it's the men, everybody in the building. Also check out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, McFly KLL, PMKICKZ, all of that good stuff. Check out my featured channels, and if you feel like it, also become part of the money squad, as you can hit that little button, and I'll be trying to get more info out to you. Now, a little bit about this backstory. You know how we always crying about sneakers don't never give me anything, sneakers don't never give me anything. So I just happened to look at my phone, and I was 30 minutes late on this joint, and I'm trying to get in there. Face recognition got done, iPhone Face ID in the clutch. Let me tell you, this is part of the 50 of the Off-White Dunks 50 pack. Some people got grace with them. Most of them are going to be released overseas. I got with them. They didn't give much of a description. They told me my shoes are going to be delayed, and next thing you know, they showed up at the front door. So this was totally a mystery, and you didn't know what you had. As you can see, this box is very interesting. It looks like cheese, Swiss cheese, mozzarella cheese, and as you can see right here, it came like so Nike with all this stuff. This is actually lot 12 Nike Dunk Low Cell Neutral Grade Crimson Tint Fisher Colorway Volt Neutral PP personal pair size 10, 11 and a half. Suggested retail price is $150. But nope, on sneakers they charge $180, $188 with tax. And you can see you got the puka, you got the hole, all of this stuff. You got the swoosh, shoes kind of looks like they drawed it in there. And you got on this thing like so. You got all the different numbers. As you can see, lot 12, like I said, so I'm not lying to y'all. Then you see the box come off like that. As you can see, should be nice and good in here like so. Make sure you're legit and somebody's dog is upset. And then over here you have the stamper ramp, all that good stuff. You see all of this paper, you have Off-White paper, and every time I do a review, we got all of this different interruptions, but we're gonna keep it pushing as we always do. And you can see it like so. You got paper wafer over here and here, and bang, you got the shoe, you got the moss stamper ramp right there like so. Okay, I'm back as they got out of my way. As you can see, lot 12 Off-White Dunks. You let me know what you think about it. Do you prefer suede? Do you prefer all leather? Just let me know what you think about these. As you know, these are deconstructed shoes, right, by Off-White. I think I get a little bit of sick, I guess, on sneakers. I actually watched some of the Off-White videos, so maybe they felt sorry for Money. Who knows, right, about this shoe. So you can see underneath the bottom, you got that vast gray hits right here, like so. I think on the retail market, they probably, resale market, they're about $1,500 right now. So you see you got that nice suede. You got some, this is pretty soft right here, this leather. Very soft. Very nice. Then you got some white laces. You got the Volt hits right here, as you can see on the deconstructed tongue. You got the Volt Off-White. It shouldn't be able to pull off. If this thing come off, I don't know what to tell you, right? So you got the crimson tint hit for as your extra shoelaces, because it's like this flower wire that's coming here. So that's crimson tint. You got the swoosh, that's very nice, and you got the leather that's very nice right here. FA21. Then you got the numbers right here on the side like so. And as you can see, you got this piece right here. So your laces, shoelaces are Off-White laces. Back on the booty, on the ass, Nike. So basically these are supposed to be skateboarding shoes. Then you come around on the sock liner, you got it all nice and white. So you don't want to wear dark, socks to mess up the shoe. So other than that, then you got your Beaverton stuff on the side. So you guys leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Would you keep or pass? And we will get back to you. Peace.